Hey YouTube, it's me, Sil here, and just making a quick vid about my RC cars. Right now I have in front of me a VXL Rustler brushless edition, and well, of course it's brushless, and an Emax brushless edition Mamba Monster. It's a Valenian motor, and waterproof, all waterproof. The Mamba Monster is not, but yeah. I'm gonna start with the Emax, and first off we got different rims and tires from an E-Revo, because my dad took my other wheels that were Desperados on Road Rage Proline tires, which were really nice and handled pretty well. Wheelie bar, Mamba Monster. I had 2 3 cells in here. I'm taking them out because it's just way too much power. The thing is crazy. It pulls wheelies like non-stop. Can't keep the front end down. Got different gearing. Can't see it because it's got a cover over it, but different gearing. I lowered it substantially, and yeah, that's it for the Emax. I'm gonna raise the suspension and just make it a bashing truck now, because I have this beast. It's has no mods to it right now, and like just a bone stock Rustler. But I'm getting a 3-cell LiPo battery soon. Hard case probably. But right now I'm running the 7-cell nickel metal hard drive battery, and it sucks. So yeah, I'm getting different tires and rims, probably Desperados. I want to make this thing all black. Probably a lot of aluminum or something. I don't know, let's see how it plays out. Alright guys, comment, rate, subscribe, peace.